At number 1, we have the ROCKBROS Motorcycle Helmet Lock, the ultimate security solution for your gear. With a stretchable 60-inch reinforced steel cable coated in durable PVC, it delivers powerful anti-cutting protection. The resettable 4-digit combination code lets you customize your password for quick, keyless operation. Perfect for helmets, bikes, luggage, gates, and more. It's incredibly versatile. Weighing just 100 grams, it's ultralight and portable. Take it anywhere with ease. ROCKBROS Helmet Lock. Reliable security you can count on every day.
At number 2, we have the ROCKBROS Motorcycle Helmet Lock, the ultimate security solution for riders everywhere. This compact, lightweight security tool delivers reliable protection on the go. Built with a strong 0.18-inch metal cable coated in durable PVC to prevent scratches. The 4-digit combination system is simple to set, easy to reset, and quick to operate. The retractable cable extends up to 59 inches, giving you maximum flexibility. Perfect for motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, luggage, and more, it adapts to any situation. Weighing only 120 grams, it fits effortlessly in your pocket or backpack. If you need lightweight, versatile security, the ROCKBROS Helmet Lock is the smart choice.
At number 3, we have the ROCKBROS Zip Tie Bike Lock, a compact security solution designed for quick everyday use. Measuring 21 inches long, this adjustable lock works like an ultra-strong zip tie for fast installation and removal. With its 3-digit resettable combination, you get hassle-free locking without needing keys. Inside the flexible design are built-in steel bars paired with a zinc alloy lock head, perfect for short stops, quick errands, and indoor security needs. Highly versatile, secures bikes, helmets, scooters, toolboxes, and more. Lightweight and portable, stored almost anywhere. Ready when you need it.
At number 4, we have the Motorcycle Helmet Lock, your ultimate portable security solution. Weighing only 75 grams, this ultra-compact lock fits easily in your pocket or bag, featuring a 4-digit combination system with up to 10,000 unique codes for maximum security. The 27.5-inch retractable cable provides versatile protection for multiple items. Simply pull the cable, snap it into place, and press to retract. Effortless operation every time. Perfect for helmets, bikes, luggage, backpacks, and more. Wherever life takes you. Lightweight, durable, and incredibly convenient. The JAGASOL Motorcycle Helmet Lock.
At number 5, we have the Urban UR446 Motorcycle Helmet Cable Lock. A lightweight, portable, and highly versatile anti-theft solution. Featuring a 4-digit customizable combination code, it offers simple, key-free operation with up to 10,000 possible combinations. Built with a durable 4mm braided steel cable coated in protective PVC, it resists cuts while preventing scratches. With a generous 150cm length, it secures helmets, bicycles, luggage, and more. Perfect for daily use and travel. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into backpacks or under motorcycle seats. Take it anywhere without bulk. Manufactured by Urban, a trusted European brand. The UR404RX delivers strength, practicality, and confidence.